Have you ever imagined a world where farms no longer need farmers? Where robots harvest crops, drones spray fields, and AI tracks every chicken's heartbeat? That's not science fiction, it's modern China. And the machines you're about to see aren't prototypes. They're real, operating right now on the world's largest farms, quietly reshaping the future of food. Agriculture, the foundation of civilization, is changing faster than ever. For thousands of years, humans plowed fields by hand or with animals. Then came tractors and industrial farming. But China has taken the next leap: autonomous farming, powered by AI, sensors, and robotics. While Western farms often struggle with labor shortages and rising costs, China is automating everything, from fruit picking to livestock feeding, using machines that learn, adapt, and never rest. Let's count down the 8 most unbelievable Chinese agricultural machines that left farmers around the world speechless. Number 8. Automatic Chicken Collecting Robot. We begin our countdown with a machine that farmers first laughed at until they saw what it could actually do. It looks like something straight out of a futuristic laboratory, a massive mechanical beast rolling calmly through the poultry house. But this isn't a movie prop. It's China's automatic chicken collecting robot, a system so advanced it has completely redefined poultry farming across Asia. For decades, collecting chickens was one of the most exhausting and stressful tasks in industrial farming. Imagine doing it by hand, catching 50,000 birds in a single day, one after another, in the heat, feathers flying everywhere. It used to take dozens of workers working endless shifts. But now, one machine does it all, faster, cleaner, and far more humanely. This robotic harvester uses a pneumatic suction system guided by artificial intelligence. It can pick up and transport up to 8,000 chickens per hour, moving them gently through a network of flexible tubes into loading containers. Inside the system, adaptive airflow regulators fine-tune suction force for every individual bird. Integrated weight and size sensors measure each chicken in real time, instantly adjusting pressure so that no wings are broken and no bird is harmed. The secret lies in its design. Every suction tube is lined with soft, food-grade silicone that molds itself to the bird's body. This allows the robot to grip firmly but gently, a balance even skilled workers struggle to maintain. Engineers say it reduces bird stress levels by 70%, which directly improves meat tenderness and quality once the animals reach the processing stage. Powered by a high-efficiency industrial electric drive, the system can operate 24 hours a day without interruption. One unit replaces the labor of roughly 40 people, cutting workforce costs while eliminating human fatigue. Advanced motion sensors allow it to navigate uneven barn floors and avoid obstacles automatically, keeping efficiency high even in cramped conditions. Maintenance is simple. A self-cleaning filter system removes dust and feathers after each run, and the onboard diagnostics predict when components need servicing before breakdowns occur. The machine can handle 50,000 birds daily, maintaining a perfect rhythm hour after hour. What's most impressive is how this invention turns one of farming's toughest jobs into a smooth, data-driven process. It's not just faster, it's kinder, cleaner, and smarter. And for farmers who once spent nights catching chickens by hand, watching this robot glide through the barns feels like witnessing the future of agriculture arrive right before their eyes. Number 7. Agricultural Drone for Intelligent Fumigation. And now, let's lift off, because number 7 takes farming to the skies. Imagine a fleet of drones soaring above vast green fields, mapping every plant, every leaf, every problem with the precision of a surgeon. That's exactly what China's agricultural drone for intelligent fumigation does. This isn't just a drone. It's a flying laboratory, a weather station, and a precision sprayer, all packed into one powerful machine. For decades, farmers have relied on traditional spraying methods that waste enormous amounts of chemicals. Up to 60% of pesticides and fertilizers end up lost to the wind or soil runoff. But this Chinese innovation changes everything. Equipped with a 50-liter tank and powered by advanced artificial intelligence, the drone maps entire fields in high resolution using multispectral and LiDAR sensors. These sensors analyze plant color, temperature, and chlorophyll to detect early signs of disease or nutrient deficiency, often days before they're visible to the naked eye. Once the drone has scanned the crops, it switches into precision mode. Its variable rate spray system adjusts droplet size and chemical composition in real time, applying just the right amount of pesticide or fertilizer to each specific section of the field. This targeted approach not only saves money, but dramatically reduces environmental pollution. The drone can cover up to 25 hectares on a single charge, flying at speeds of 10 meters per second. Built from lightweight carbon fiber, it's agile yet stable, even in wind or uneven terrain. When its power runs low, it automatically returns to its base, swaps batteries, and takes off again completely autonomously. But the real revolution begins when these drones work together. Using swarm intelligence, multiple units coordinate their flight paths with centimeter-level precision, weaving across the sky in what looks like an aerial ballet. This synchronized choreography allows them to treat enormous areas of farmland in a fraction of the time it once took. Each drone also features an onboard micro-weather station that monitors humidity, wind direction, and temperature. Based on these readings, it adjusts spray nozzles on the fly, minimizing drift and ensuring that every droplet lands exactly where it's needed. The results are stunning. Chemical use down by 60%, efficiency up by 40%, and healthier, more productive fields across the country. Farmers who once struggled to manage thousands of acres now control their entire operation from a tablet screen. What's most impressive is the site itself, hundreds of intelligent drones gliding in perfect formation as they feed the fields below. It's not just fumigation, it's precision farming from the sky, and it's changing the way humanity grows its food forever. Number 6. Fruit and Vegetable Harvesting Robot, AI Vision Harvester. After revolutionizing the skies with intelligent drones, Chinese engineers turned to one of agriculture's most delicate challenges, harvesting fruit. Number 6. The AI Fruit and Vegetable Harvesting Robot is a machine that finally mastered what farmers once thought only human hands could do. Picking ripe fruit might sound simple, but it's one of the hardest tasks to automate. No two fruits are identical. Their size, color, and texture change from one to another, and the difference between ripe and overripe can be just seconds. But this machine has learned to see, think, and pick like an expert farmer, only faster and more precisely. The robot is equipped with an AI-driven computer vision system, supported by spectral cameras and tactile pressure sensors. As it moves along the crop rows, it scans every branch, leaf, and fruit using multispectral analysis. The system evaluates color tone, surface texture, and firmness, determining in milliseconds whether each fruit is ready to be picked. The recognition model was trained on over 1 million images, giving it the ability to identify more than 200 fruit and vegetable varieties, including apples, tomatoes, peppers, and pears. This dataset allows the AI to detect ripeness even under inconsistent lighting or partial leaf coverage. When the robot decides a fruit is ready, it deploys one of its articulated robotic arms, each fitted with a soft, silicone-coated gripper. These grippers apply between 1.5 and 2 pounds. 0 newtons of pressure, just enough to detach the fruit cleanly without causing bruises or damage. Every motion is guided by real-time feedback loops, adjusting grip strength and speed dynamically as it works. The machine can harvest 1 apple every 7 seconds, operating up to 20 hours a day without fatigue. In large-scale trials, it achieved a 95% accuracy rate in selecting perfectly right produce, surpassing even the best human pickers. Its self-learning algorithm continuously refines performance after each harvest, improving efficiency with every season. Farmers using the robot report significantly reduced labor costs and minimal waste. Because it can work through the night and withstand varying weather conditions, it ensures that harvest schedules are never delayed. It's consistent, tireless, and precise, qualities every grower dreams of. Watching the robot in action is mesmerizing. Its arms glide gently through dense foliage, isolating each fruit with flawless accuracy. It doesn't crush, it doesn't tire, it simply works. The AI fruit and vegetable harvesting robot proves that artificial intelligence isn't just transforming high-tech industries. It's reshaping the very act of farming itself, combining speed, precision, and care in a way the world has never seen. Number 5. Yanfeng Intelligent Cotton Harvester. From the orchard, we move into the wide-open fields. Number 5. The Yanfeng Intelligent Cotton Harvester. This massive machine has completely changed how China harvests one of the world's most delicate crops, cotton. Cotton may look soft, but harvesting it is anything but easy. Pick too roughly and you tear the fibers. Pick too gently and you leave half the crop behind. For decades, cotton farming depended on long days of exhausting manual labor. Now, one Yanfeng harvester does the work of 200 people with perfect precision. The Yanfeng isn't just a picker. It's an integrated harvesting and processing system. It combines rotating brushes, gentle pneumatic suction, and humidity sensors that constantly monitor field conditions. These systems allow it to adjust suction pressure in real time, protecting fiber quality even in humid or dusty weather. Inside the machine, an optical fiber analyzer scans every strand of cotton at a rate of 400 samples per second. It classifies the fibers according to length, color, and purity, separating top-grade cotton from defective material instantly. The result? Cotton purity levels exceed 95%, ready for baling the moment it's picked. Its GPS-guided navigation system allows full field automation. The harvester plans optimal routes, avoids overlap, and manages turning radius automatically, ensuring that no patch of cotton is missed. Operators simply monitor progress through a digital dashboard, while onboard sensors adjust speed and brush rotation according to terrain and humidity. Yanfeng's output is extraordinary. It can process up to 15 tons of cotton per day, cleaning and baling the harvest in a single pass. The self-balancing drive system keeps stability even on uneven ground, while its adaptive suction unit automatically modulates torque to prevent clogging. Maintenance is minimal. A built-in diagnostic system tracks wear on brushes and suction filters, alerting operators before performance drops. With automated bale formation, cotton is neatly packed and ready for transport as soon as the machine completes each row. Farmers across China report not only higher yields, but also more consistent quality, something nearly impossible with manual harvesting. The Yanfeng's precision and speed ensure that every fiber counts. What's revolutionary is how seamlessly it adapts to different environments, from humid southern fields to dry northern plains, all while preserving the softness and strength of the cotton. The Yanfeng Intelligent Cotton Harvester doesn't just collect cotton, it elevates it, transforming one of the most labor-intensive crops into a fully automated, high-efficiency process. Number 4. Autonomous Farm Helper Robot. After mastering crop collection and processing, Chinese engineers turned their attention to something even more ambitious: building a robot that could do everything else. Number 4. The Autonomous Farm Helper Robot. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of agriculture.
compact, modular, and incredibly intelligent. This isn't a single-purpose machine. It's a fully autonomous assistant capable of performing more than 50 different tasks, from planting and watering to pruning, fertilizing, and even pest detection. At its core lies a central AI control unit that tracks every plant individually. Using a network of high-resolution cameras and environmental sensors, it records data about each crop's growth stage, soil condition, and moisture needs.
Over time, the robot develops a personalized profile for every plant, understanding when to water, how much nutrient to supply, and when to intervene against pests or disease. Its modular design is what makes it truly versatile. The robot's tool chassis can be swapped in seconds, a seeding module for planting, a sprayer for fertilization, pruning shears for trimming, or even robotic arms for light harvesting. All modules are plug-and-play, automatically recognized by the robot's AI once attached. Powering the system is a high-density lithium-ion battery providing up to 16 hours of continuous operation. When the charge drops, it doesn't need human help. It automatically drives to the nearest charging dock and resumes work once recharged. Terrain isn't a challenge either. The machine's adaptive suspension system and four-wheel drive let it handle slopes up to 35 degrees, maintaining balance and stability on muddy, rocky, or uneven ground. The more it works, the smarter it gets. Its onboard AI applies reinforcement learning, constantly analyzing data from previous operations to refine its behavior. After just a few weeks, it memorizes the specific conditions of each field, adjusting irrigation schedules, pesticide dosage, and energy use dynamically. The results are impressive: a 35% increase in farm productivity, 50% reduction in water and fertilizer use, and zero operator fatigue. Unlike human workers, this robot operates 24/7, under scorching heat, pouring rain, or freezing cold without a single complaint. Maintenance is straightforward. Integrated diagnostics track battery health, motor performance, and soil feedback sensors, alerting farmers before any issue occurs. Everything is data-driven and automated, ensuring near-perfect reliability. Farmers who have tested it describe it as having an employee who never sleeps. It's efficient, adaptable, and self-improving, the perfect blend of hardware precision and artificial intelligence. The autonomous farm helper robot isn't just a tool. It's a workforce in a box, representing the next step toward fully intelligent, sustainable farming. Number 3. Artificial Animal Feeder. Now we enter the top 3, where artificial intelligence meets animal care. Number 3, the AI Livestock Feeder. Feeding livestock is the single biggest expense on a modern farm, up to 70% of total costs. But this Chinese innovation has turned that problem into an opportunity. The artificial intelligence livestock feeder uses sensors, data analytics, and automation to transform feeding from guesswork into a precise, scientific process. This fully autonomous system operates 24 hours a day, capable of preparing and distributing feed for up to 500 animals simultaneously. Using AI algorithms, it calculates the ideal diet for each group based on their age, weight, milk yield, and health condition. Each ration is optimized to maximize productivity and maintain long-term animal health. Inside the unit, gram-level precision sensors weigh up to 15 different ingredients, grains, supplements, and vitamins, blending them in perfect proportions. Once mixed, the feed is automatically delivered to designated feeding areas via a network of robotic conveyors. But what makes this machine revolutionary is its real-time feedback system. Embedded sensors track how much each animal eats, how fast, and how often. If the system detects a decline in appetite or changes in feeding behavior, it immediately adjusts the texture, temperature, or flavor of the mix, even reformulating the feed to make it more palatable. Its infrared freshness scanners constantly monitor ingredient quality, rejecting any spoiled or contaminated material before it reaches the animals. The result is an ultra-clean, data-driven feeding process with zero human error. Farmers using the system have reported remarkable results: 25% more milk production, 40% less feed waste, and healthier herds overall. By fine-tuning diets in real time, the feeder reduces both costs and environmental impact. The AI system also keeps detailed logs for every feeding cycle, giving farmers complete visibility into nutrient use and animal performance. Over time, the machine learns from historical data, improving efficiency with every season. What once required a team of workers now runs seamlessly through algorithms and precision robotics, a new era of intelligent livestock management. The artificial intelligence livestock feeder isn't just an automated trough. It's a nutrition scientist, a veterinarian, and a farm manager, all rolled into one. Number 2. Automated and intelligent poultry farm. As we approach the top of our list, we move from machines to something far greater, an entire ecosystem powered by artificial intelligence. Number 2. The fully automated AI poultry farm. This isn't just a smart device or a clever robot, it's a living, breathing digital biosphere. A farm that runs entirely by itself, without a single farmer in sight. The system can manage millions of birds simultaneously, monitoring every heartbeat, movement, and sound within massive poultry houses spread across hectares of land. The secret lies in its vast network of sensors, HD cameras, and microphones. Thousands of them work together to track each chicken's health, behavior, and activity in real time. The AI core processes this data continuously, analyzing eating patterns, movement density, and sound frequencies to detect even the slightest signs of distress. Climate control is handled automatically. The farm's smart HVAC system adjusts temperature, humidity, and airflow every 60 seconds, maintaining the perfect living environment. This means no more overheating, dehydration, or overcrowding, factors that traditionally cause massive losses in poultry farming. Feeding and watering are also fully automated. Purification systems ensure that every drop of water is filtered and monitored, while feed distribution adjusts based on group appetite and bird growth data. The result is a perfectly balanced diet for every flock, without any human interference. But perhaps the most astonishing feature is its disease prediction engine. Using deep learning algorithms, the AI can detect signs of illness up to 72 hours before symptoms appear. If it predicts an infection, the system isolates the affected area automatically and activates sterilization and treatment protocols, saving thousands of birds before the problem spreads. The egg collection process is fully robotic. Automated arms gently gather eggs and classify them by size, shape, and shell quality using optical scanners. Meanwhile, an ultrasonic cleaning system keeps the barn spotless, using steam sterilization instead of harsh chemicals, protecting both the birds and the environment. The results are extraordinary: 90% lower mortality, 40% higher egg production, and 60% lower operational costs compared to traditional farms. Every decision, every adjustment, and every movement is data-driven, optimized by artificial intelligence for maximum efficiency and welfare. The fully automated AI poultry farm isn't just automation, it's the dawn of self-sustaining agriculture. A place where machines, sensors, and biology work together in harmony to feed the planet responsibly. Tractor. Number 1. Intelligent tractor for precision agriculture. And finally, we reach number 1, the machine that symbolizes the future of agriculture itself. Number 1, the intelligent precision tractor.
This is not your grandfather's tractor. It's the masterpiece of modern engineering, a fully autonomous, hybrid electric powerhouse that doesn't just drive itself, it thinks for itself. Every second, it makes thousands of micro decisions to turn farming into an exact science. The tractor navigates fields using dual millimetric GPS combined with a LiDAR array and 360-degree vision cameras, achieving a jaw-dropping 2-centimeter accuracy. It recognizes terrain variations, detects obstacles, and recalculates routes in real time, ensuring it never misses a line or overlaps during planting.
Beneath its rugged frame lies an array of sensors that continuously scan the soil. They measure humidity, pH level, nutrient density, and compaction, feeding that data directly into the onboard AI. The tractor then adjusts its seeding depth, fertilizer dosage, and speed every single meter, optimizing growth conditions for every square foot of land. Its hybrid diesel-electric system provides up to 20 hours of continuous operation, seamlessly switching between power sources to conserve energy. When its battery runs low, it automatically returns to its charging base, no human needed, no downtime. But what truly elevates this machine beyond anything else is its collaborative intelligence. Each unit is wirelessly connected to others in the field. Together, they plan the most efficient routes, share soil data, and coordinate movements to cover massive areas with perfect synchronization. Imagine a fleet of tractors operating like a swarm of precision robots. That's the new reality. During field trials, this super tractor achieved a 50% increase in productivity and a 70% reduction in fuel consumption compared to traditional models. Farmers described it as having the world's best operator, working 24 hours a day without errors or breaks. Rain, dust, or darkness, it doesn't matter. The intelligent precision tractor works flawlessly under all conditions, guided by its advanced AI and vision systems. It represents the complete union of robotics, data analytics, and sustainability, setting a new standard for global agriculture. This is more than a tractor. It's the birth of machine-run farming, where artificial intelligence and nature finally operate in harmony. These groundbreaking Chinese inventions prove that the future of agriculture isn't coming. It's already here. Machines like this intelligent precision tractor are not just transforming fields, they're redefining how humanity feeds itself, and that's only the beginning. Closing, the future of farming is now. These 8 machines mark a historic shift in agriculture, where artificial intelligence, robotics, and IoT sensors come together to grow food smarter than ever before. They're not just tools, they're the foundation of a new era in food production, one defined by precision, sustainability, and self-learning automation. From the automatic chicken collector to the intelligent precision tractor, each invention represents a leap beyond traditional farming. Together, they form an ecosystem where every movement, drop of water, and grain of soil is measured, analyzed, and optimized in real time. China isn't just testing these systems, it's deploying them at scale. These technologies prove that automation can feed billions while using fewer resources and reducing environmental impact. The future of farming isn't human versus machine. It's human and machine, side by side, building a world where agriculture is cleaner, faster, and more intelligent. If machines can already harvest, feed, and drive today, what role will humans play in the farms of tomorrow? Which of these machines impressed you the most? Leave it in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.